Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the procedure on how to fix KeyBank app not working. So if your bank app is not working, you wanna go with the common issues. You have to check your connectivity. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. So open up settings on your device, go to network and internet, and here you could just simply go ahead and make sure to reset or restart the device or refresh or restart your connection. That might be able to fix as well. Now that you've done this, you could also try restarting your device by holding onto your side button, and then what you want to do is you could also try updating your app. So what you have to do is to update, you want to go to your respective app store and then type in your KeyBank on the search bar and update the app to the latest version. If that also doesn't seem to be working out, try reinstalling the app. That might also be able to help. If nothing works out, then the simple solution is to contact support team and they will be able to look into your matter. So with that, we have completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.